What's your thoughts on this? Repair or replace? And the results came in, 80% said repair, 20% said replace, so we're gonna repair it. So I've drawn a black line just where the two body lines should be. As you can see right along here. I'm gonna weld some keys and maybe some along the top. What I'm gonna use here is the Maxi by Denfix, and there's the bridge puller there. That combined with the keys along here, we're gonna try and get this nice and straight. Okay, so we've welded the first keys on. We've put the rod through. It's a tough one to get through because you can actually see how far that is pushed right in. So now we're going to attach the bridge puller and try and get this out. Looking good, Amir. That's it. Okay. Just give it a little tap underneath, but as you can see, came out very good. Maybe try one up here, Amir. Yeah. See, I think it's too much tension. Yeah, don't worry. Try up here. We need to clean the tip. Here you go, buddy. line here. Pull it out here. Can you get in here? I'll give it there. Okay. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll release the pressure here, take the keys off like I said. Keys off there, and we'll leave a few keys in the middle and just pull the line here. We don't need keys here, this came out well. Okay? Cool. Nah, it's just slipping up there. Hold on. Okay, so now that we have all the metal work done, it's time to put some filler on here. So just have it all masked up around the badge. There you go. That's the first coat of filler on there. It's going to speed up this process so you don't have to sit down and watch the whole thing, but you kind of get the gist of what I do here. I'll be using masking tape to get that line straight. I'll start off with a bit of 80 and then I'll move on to 180 sandpaper. So what I've got going on now with a few little pinholes. See them here. I'll put a little bit here. So it's 90% there. I'm going to put some in the pinholes and then we'll rub it down with 220 and then it should be done. And I'll use my guide coat to get the body lines nice. You'll see that now in the next clip. So kind of mix up some stopper now and put it in the pinholes. Right, so the stopper's gone hard, so what I'm going to do is start rubbing this down with a bit of 120 and I'll move up onto 180 and probably finish with 220. Same again, same process. I'll be using a bit of masking tape, Geico, as you can see there, just to make sure I'm getting that body line nice and straight. This is always a technique I use for body lines, always works out great and never lets me down. Done. So this body line doesn't be as sharp as this. So this is just, it's just sharp, the Geico, just to show you your body line to make sure you have it nice. What I'm going to do now is you can round it off like this. I'll get a bit of 400, even a bit of 320, whatever, something that's not too aggressive. And just round it off with your hand, just to blend it in. There you go. I'll try the emblem on. Should be good. It's got primes just flashing off. It's good though. So there you guys have it. It's all put back together. Looks well. Everything lines up, windows back in, body line looks good. So that was a good repair. Bridge system, weld on keys. Hopefully that helps a few of you. If you have any questions, just write in the comments. And make sure you subscribe and like the video to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys.